Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog, I'm going to be doing a testing Korean makeup or skincare even, not makeup. I'm going to be testing Korean skincare. I'm so excited to do this because I've wanted to try Korean skincare for the longest time. So a lovely company called Beauty Joint, which is online, sent me a box full of goodies which I selected myself. I was the one who chosen it and I was just in love with the skincare. But one of the things that I really wanted to try, which was like my main thing that I just loved on the website, was this pineapple bubble peeling face mask. One, it's a face mask. Two, it bubbles and it says purify, detoxify and exfoliate. So it looks like this. It's meant to be really good, made in Korea, which means Korean skincare, and it says after washing face, dry with a towel, applying the peeling gel on your face except for the eyes and lips. Please wait for bubbles to form about 3 to 5 minutes. Continue by gently massaging with your fingertips after the bubbles subside. Rinse off with tepid water and then begin skincare. I also have this bubble lip exfoliator, which I'm also going to try because a bubble lip exfoliator, I just haven't heard anything like it. The fact that the bubbles is basically this and this for your lips, amazing. And then I also have, she gets it out, I also have the tonic water, which again, I selected myself, and this is the Oh Wow Miracle Toner 3-in-1 solution, AHA, BHA and NMF, I don't even know what that is, but it says strengthen skin flexibility, pore cleansing, strengthen skin barrier for all skin types. And it looks really good, so we're just going to have a try and have a look. So the first one is the pineapple exfoliator for your skin. I'm going to get a mirror because I very much doubt I can do this. This is the little bottle. The bottle's really cute because it's yellow and it's also plastic. It looks kind of fancy. So I'm just going to... Oh my god, it's so thick, it's like a gel. Oh, it smells, oh my god, that smells insane. Oh my god. It smells like something, but I can't describe it. This is the most weirdest consistency. It's like really weird gel, but also slime. So I'm gonna add it to my nose. Oh, it feels lovely. It feels like it's got silicone in it in the most weirdest way, like that really soft texture. Oh my god, the smell, that is amazing. My forehead. It feels like my skin is tingling. Okay, so as you can see, it's faux. Oh my god, this is the weirdest sensation. Do it in the middle. I don't know what to do. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it now. Okay, so it's about 10 to 3 now, so I'm gonna take it off when it gets to about 5 to 3. See what happens. So this is just as I put it on. Oh my god, it is actually getting a lot foamier. It feels like it doesn't work as much as I thought it would though, like bear in mind it's not been 5 minutes yet, but like the foam looks really good here, but like here and stuff, I don't know. It smells amazing. It smells incredible. The foam is so cool. So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes and see what my face looks like. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. That went ridiculously quick. So it doesn't seem to be like it's a peel off. I don't know why. Once the bubbles have formed, which I am kind of disappointed, it's not like this photo looks ridiculous. I wanted my face to look like a Smurf, but we are not looking like a Smurf. We're only getting it in certain areas, and I did really, I applied it every part of my face. Like, all of it's covered, even this bit, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's actually done anything. So I'm gonna, it says continue by gently massaging with your fingertips after the bubbles subside. Wait, do I have to make sure the bubbles go? don't know. It's really like, it's like a gel, like, it's like a cleanser in a way. It's not really a mask, I'd say it's a cleanser. But I'm just gonna, oh, the sound. Massage it into my skin. So like, when I rub my hands together, that's what the gel creates. So like, look. What is that? Is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? I know it's a peeling gel. Is that what it means? Does it peel up? Nah, that's weird. So like, it's like the bubbles create these bits, these really weird bits. What are they? I don't know what that means. So I'm gonna wash this off. I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go. Let go. Let's go to the bathroom. Oh. So the next product I'm going to test is this Bubblicious Lip Exfoliator by Rude Cosmetics. And it says, begin by applying the exfoliator on your lips and please wait for bubbles to form for about 3 to 5 minutes, which is the exact same as this little guy. And then it says, continue by gently massaging with your fingertips until the skin exfoliates naturally in the foam. Oh, that's so cool. The longer it stays, the more effective it will be. Rinse off with water. Perfect. This is the weirdest sensation. Like, it feels like I've got spider legs on my lips, and my lips feel a little bit like warm. I don't know if that's normal. I can't really speak properly because if I speak, that the foam's just gonna like go away. So yeah, I have foam lips. It's starting to like tickle a little bit. It's amazing. Like, it's even better than this. Like, this is so cool. So I'm gonna take it off and see what I do. So now I have to gently massage it. So I feel like, oh, I've swallowed it. So when you rub it in, which is now, the foams disappear. So this is what my lips look like now, and I'm not gonna lie, it'll look like I've got numbing cream on my lips. Looks like I'm actually getting lip fillers. Guys, I got something to tell you. I'm not getting lip fillers, joking, but alright, let's wash this off. I've just rinsed off my lip foam exfoliator and my lips feel like okay, they just feel like normal. So I am going to put lip balm on and then see how my lips feel after that, because if you think like an exfoliator, you kind of have to put lip balm on anyway, and then afterwards, like, is you really going to see? So like, I probably will be able to tell tomorrow, but my lips feel smooth, and I think with lip balm, they're going to feel amazing after that. But I'm going to use a lip mask tonight, so I'm going to test that. But for now, I'm going to use my Elizabeth Arden lip balm, just for today. And then tonight, I'm going to try on the Rude Cosmetics Goodnight Sleep Mask. And then, like, leave it on all night and see what I think. So, for now, obviously my skin feels kind of smooth. And now I'm going to be using Oh Wow Miracle Toner 3-in-1 solution. So this is the toner, and all it says is pores need a breather. Skin needs help strengthening flexibility. Renew your skin with each application. Our 3-in-1 solution toner will do that and more. Cut your routine to a single product that will protect, cleanse, and even help prevent acne. That's really good. This is it, which I'm not gonna lie, like, cute. I love the fact that it's actually a clear container, and I'm going to open it and see. It doesn't smell of anything, which is good because I don't like perfume stuff because it's really bad for your skin. But the actual, like, how it dispenses the product is a little hole. So I'm going to use, it's got half of my head on. So I think that concludes this part of the video. Hey guys, it's G and I'm back at it again with another vlog, like a day 2 vlog. So I did do my skincare and it has been a few days because I kind of wanted to test it. And yeah, I am like, I don't want to seem really like against the skincare, but as you can see, I broke out. I had a few spots. Some of them have gone. You can't really tell, but I actually have got like quite a few spots in between my brows that I have filled, like I've kind of covered up because I've done my eyebrows today. I am kind of gutted, but my skin is super sensitive. Like my skin is the most sensitive, honestly, it's ever been recently. So I think this skincare, especially like the Korean and Rude Cosmetics one, I feel like maybe if you have normal to combination skin, or if you are a lot more sensitive than like what I am and stuff like that, I just recommend you maybe not trying the products. But if you have fine skin and you don't really break out and you don't really get really sore skin, because I get really sore burning feeling skin, it's ridiculous. Only since like recently I actually used to have normal skin until a few months ago. So if you have got normal skin, this is a fab brand to try. It is really good. But for me, because I have got hyper, super sensitive skin, I just would say, nah, just be careful of what you put on your skin. I am a bit annoyed because I have got an event tomorrow when this goes up, which will be tonight. I have an event tomorrow. I'm going to London for an event and I have a spot. I'm so annoyed. Honestly, guys, if you want to help me out, how do you get rid of a spot? I'm like really annoyed and yeah, I'm just gutted, but it's life. I tested skincare for you. It was a bit of a, but they did send me the products, but they did not pay for me to say this. So don't worry, this is all my opinions. You know that if a product's rubbish, I will tell you. If a product is worth it, I will tell you. And clearly that I'm not crazy about it. But if you have normal skin, try it. It's always worth a try. The bubble face mask is always fun. The lip mask is amazing. It's so fun to do, especially at like sleepovers with the girls. Like, oh my god, a girls' night in with like bubble masks. Yes, queen. But yeah, I'm gonna go because I have so much to do. I was meant to film a video. I was actually meant to be filming a drugstore flawless base routine. However, I broke out, so I didn't want to do it when my skin is super, like my skin is so sore today. So I'm just gonna like let my skin breathe. I have done my brows, but that's it. And yeah, I'm gutted, but I am going to an event in London tomorrow. I cannot wait. If you guys are in London, like, let me know. I'd love to meet some of you. I'm just trying on some outfits. I've literally just bought this like yellow top. I've got some new boots. Amazing. Like, these are my new shoes. Mustard buckle boots. I'm in love with them. I genuinely am just trying things on. I also need to finish this vlog and pack for London because we're staying one night in London. And yeah, I'm really excited. But I'm going to vlog London tomorrow and I'm going to vlog Thursday because I'm staying over overnight. I'm staying over for one night. So I will be vlogging it, so you'll be able to see next week what I get up to. But yeah, I'm going to love you and leave you. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of moi. And I love you so much, my kings and queens. Goodbye. Mwah.